Welcome to my channel, Technical Hacker Kali. First of all, in this video we will make an email, and then YouTube channel by using all feature, so subscribe my channel for more updates. Click on Sign In button. If you already have an email it and sign in. If you don't have, just follow my steps. Now, click on Create Account. Put your personal information in boxes, and rememberable password. After putting all data, click on Next button. If your email is already taken, it will show you all available emails. Just choose any of one from there and again click on Next button. Now fill all boxes, and click on Next button. Now click on I agree button. Congratulations, you successfully make your first email ID. Your email ID is ready to use. This is your email ID, remember it. Now click on YouTube icon. Now type Technical Hacker Kali in search box. Click on red button, also click on the bell icon for best working experience. Now click on your name's logo of email ID, and click on YouTube channel, or Create Channel button. Click on blue button. Click on first option blue button. This is your description box. In this box put the maximum number of sentences, or keywords or related search words of your YouTube channel. If you have any website, put URL of website in this box. Congratulations, you have successfully make your own YouTube channel. This is the first view of your YouTube channel. If you want to upload any video, just click on upload video. You can choose file from your PC manually, or by drag and drop like me. In first field put very good search name of your video. In description, you can write any details of your video, or anything which you want.
Like this. This is a description of this video. In the description all details of the video, and related links are available, so you can write anything in the video description. I am just copying all description and will paste in my video.
Congratulations, you successfully uploaded your first video. This is your video, so subscribe my channel and enjoy during watching your and my videos.